In this video, we review Robinhood's offerings related to index funds. Have you used Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your Robinhood review in the comments section below. Did you know that as of December 2024, Robinhood has over 23 million funded accounts, yet it doesn't offer traditional mutual funds, including index funds. Instead, investors can access index-based exchange-traded funds, ETFs, through the platform. Additionally, Robinhood's user-friendly interface has been both praised for its simplicity and criticized for potentially encouraging impulsive trading behaviors. Robinhood, renowned for its commission-free trading and streamlined mobile experience, does not provide direct access to traditional mutual funds, including index funds. However, investors can purchase index-based ETFs, which are similar to mutual funds, but trade like stocks on an exchange. This allows users to invest in a diversified portfolio that mirrors the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. One of the primary advantages of using Robinhood for ETF investments is the absence of trading fees, making it cost-effective for investors. The platform's intuitive design simplifies the process of buying and selling ETFs, appealing to beginners and those who prefer a straightforward approach to investing. Additionally, Robinhood offers fractional shares, enabling investors to purchase portions of high-priced ETFs with minimal capital. Despite these benefits, there are notable drawbacks. Robinhood's limited range of offerings excludes traditional mutual funds, which may deter investors seeking specific index funds not available as ETFs. The platform's educational resources and research tools are less comprehensive compared to other brokers, potentially leaving users without sufficient information to make informed investment decisions. Furthermore, the simplistic interface, while user-friendly, has been criticized for lacking advanced features that experienced investors might require. User experiences with Robinhood are mixed. Some appreciate the platform's accessibility and zero-commission trades, finding it convenient for ETF investments. Others express concerns about customer support responsiveness and the limited investment options. Many investors question Robinhood's suitability for purchasing index funds, indicating a preference for platforms offering a broader range of investment choices. In conclusion, while Robinhood does not offer traditional index mutual funds, it provides access to index-based ETFs, allowing investors to engage in diversified, low-cost investing. The platform's commission-free structure and user-friendly design are significant advantages. However, the limited investment options, less robust research tools, and potential concerns about customer support are important considerations. Investors should carefully evaluate their individual needs and preferences when choosing a platform for index fund investments.